Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain about one of the important commands in Red Hat Linux, that is a CHMOD command. This CHMOD command is used to change the permissions of the file and the directory for three types of users: for owner, group, and others. Okay. So with the chmod command, we can change the permissions. What type of permissions that we have is we have three types of permissions: read, write, execute. Okay. So to change the permissions, we use the chmod command. Okay. Let's go to the first directory. Okay. Now we are in home directory. If you see here, we have a files ls-ld. So ls-ld star gives us the information of complete information of the files and directories, like the type of permissions and type of files and links and the owner, group, and the size of the file, when was the file created or modified, and the name of the file. This column represents the name of the file. Now if you take any file, okay, for example, let's create one file, or else let's take any file, uh, a file text. Okay, so file text. Okay, let's take the different file. Let's create one file test.txt. Now we have created a file test.txt. Now if you look at here, there are permissions. Okay, this is a hyphen, it represents the file, and the remaining, this is for owner, this is for group, and this is for others. Okay, so now we have three types of permissions: read, write, execute. Okay, now this file has only read and write permissions for owner, and read for groups and others. Okay, now let us change the permissions for this file. How to change the permission is chmod. We have two ways to change the permission. One is use the numeric or use the letters. Okay, we can use the numerics first, and after we'll use the letters. Okay, numeric is 644 or 664. 664, we have a we have given permissions to the group. Okay, others only 4 permission. We have given write permissions to the group, and file name is file test.txt. Okay, so what are we trying to do is we are changing the permissions from the 644 to 664 for the file test.txt. Okay, now if you see here, see the permissions have been changed. Earlier the permissions is read write only, read. Now we have changed read write and read only. So this is how we can change the permissions. Now let us change the permission uh, with a letters chmod. Okay, chmod. I want to change the permissions for others. Okay, so how I others stands for O, G stands for groups, U stands for user or owner. Okay, now I want to give the others for execute permissions. To give the user to give execute permissions to the others, we use the O plus X. Okay, file test dot txt. Now if you look at the file, now we have changed the permissions. Okay, execute permissions we have given. Okay, this is how we can change the permissions of the file and a directory. With the help of chmod command, we can change the permissions. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.